Hello, hello, see my chicken. Because of heat, I have to like sprinkle butter on them. Because of heat. Now God save me today, oh. All of them for pie. Come see the ones because of heat. Come see the ones where they don't die. They are dead. God. I have to remove something that I use in covering them so that air at least will come inside. Hey, God save me, oh. Now God, if no be God, all of them for pie. See them. See, I beg go. For this season, I beg. If you know say you cover your cage, I beg. Or see so go there now, go remove her because of it. Except you no wan cash out. But if you know say you wan cash out, I beg. Go do wetin I ask you to go do now. If you know you cover your cage, go dey remove her, dey throw am away. I beg, go dey remove her, make air of Jesus, make it enter them, so that you go cash out for December. Oh, I beg. The chicken, nothing go do now, Nothing go do now, Pele, it is well. It is well with my chicken. Oh, hey, thank God, oh, for God. I beg, it is well. Have a wonderful day.